Edwina with Elegant Creations, and I'm back to do part 2 of this video for my treat boxes, my storefront treat boxes. So I was working on the hot cocoa, and I wanted to continue finishing decorating the box. I went ahead and glued all the windows down and stuff. I did a couple different doors. I did that with the teal, and then I put some lace on this one with the window. But then I found some brown that I had, and so I think I'm going to use the brown just to kind of go with more hot cocoa, the chocolate color. And I had some little dies that had a cup, and I got this die many years ago. I got it for free when we used to go to this stamp show, and if you buy so many dies, like 2 or 3 dies that play at a certain place, they give you a gift, and this was my gift. And I really haven't used too much of it. I think I lost some marshmallows off of it, but it is a cute die, but it's very tiny pieces. So I thought this would be really cute. And so I'm just going to go ahead and just put all this stuff together. And I put this, I don't know if it's vellum or I guess behind it. And I did put the acetate on the other one, but I didn't put it on this one. I put a little Martha Stewart punch that I had some cutouts laying around. I had some pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and lay that down. I thought that'd be cute. And then you just kind of glue all these pieces down. And I'm using the art glitter glue because I do have acetate on this. I hope you all could follow along on my first video. I hope I didn't do it too fast. I'm going to hold that down just a little bit. And I'm going to show you how I do boxes. So this shouldn't take too long to decorate. I have everything cut out. So what I did was I punched out with this punch. I punched out this little small one, and then I just kind of cut it down. But I did some little, let me get my ink. Okay, so I'm going to put this on here. Just to give the door some dimension. I didn't bring my thing to make my doorknob go out. Oops. I'm going to go off camera a little bit. And then I have this little tiny piece. I do have my tweezers, but I didn't get them. Just to give it a little bit of a look. Okay, so, and you can glue this with hot glue gun if you need to, but just have to keep pressing down. Okay, so I did do this, and I did a shadow of gold because of this gold on this, and so I'm going to put dimensional tape on that. And this is the same, it's one of the dies that I had for the purse. And I've been using it as the background, but I used it for the sign. And it's this little die right here. I like that little purse. It came with a lot of cute little things on it and dies that I've been using for other things. I haven't made the purse yet. So, but I think I'm going to put dimensionals on that little cup. It does have whipped cream, if I can find it. Oh, I lost my little whipped cream. Oh, here it is. I think I have 2 pieces roaming around here. I always do 2 because I always lose when I get it here. Okay. Oops, wrong side. forgot that I had wax paper on that. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. I'm like rushing. I don't know why. Okay. I'm a hyper person, so I do everything quick. I think I'm gonna do that. And then I have a little spoon, and I think I'll put, I'm not sure where I'm going to put this. Maybe I'll put it there. Okay, I'm just going to put that temporarily. Put a little bit of glue. Just in case I change my mind. Maybe get some little marshmallows or something. For now. I do that a lot. I change my mind. Play with things because of the gold on gold. Okay. So, I did do one of these, but I thought with the brown, I'll just use the brown. Okay, so I have this little wire, and it's this right here, this garden. It's called Tinsel Garden. Okay. And I used, let me get my glue gun. I don't have much room in this place. So let me see if I can reach my glue gun over here. Hope I'm not off camera. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of glue. Okay. And then I'm going to put that down. Ouch. For myself. Okay. And you can cut a lot of these little wispies on there. And then I'm almost done. Oh, I have to do my little let me get my little jars. I have these clay bits, and they have, since I'm using, see if I can find a gingerbread house. My glue gun doesn't reach, so I have to kind of decorate it just a little bit, the best I can. And I'm just going to put a little bit of, okay, so I just kind of do that. I'm not going to do the whole thing because it'll take me too long, because I want to show you guys how to do a box. But basically, you get the idea of how to add all these little things, and then I can probably put a little gingerbread or something here on this side. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna decorate with, but that's just the basics on how to put the little storefront together. Okay, and I hope you all try it. I hope that I was able to show you and answer all your questions. I know some of you have wanted to know how to do the storefronts, so I hope I helped. And I will be doing some more. I did some fashion was boutiques, and I did a teapot with a hot chocolate, and so I'll be showing those tomorrow for Saturday morning makes. Oh, I forgot to do my little, oh, I forgot to show you my little open. I'm gonna, I lost it. These pieces are so tiny, and this cloth, tablecloth kind of, oh, oops, I broke it. Oh well, I was gonna put that here, but I kind of just play around with everything and see. Let me see if I find my little. It's like a little handle to put the open where I typed it. I went ahead and put the gold, and then I have this little thing that I put that hangs down. So I'll have to find that. I'll show you the finished product tomorrow. When I do Saturday morning makes, I think I'm going to put that one there. I can move this one down a little bit more. And then that's it for this one. And I'll put something down here also. But some little snow or something. I'll show this one when I finish it. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to figure out, let me get a piece of paper, how to do a box. How I figure out my boxes. Let me see if I can get a pen. There's one. Okay. What I do, I'm just going to fold this in half so it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. I'm a very visual person, and so I have to kind of draw things out for myself. So the first thing I do is I figure out how wide I want it and how wide I want this, okay? And so it's a very simple box, and so I just draw I can't do this. It won't let me, but I don't have anything hard. Let's see. Hold on. My tablecloth is. Hang on a second. Let me get a better pen. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if I can figure out what I do. It's a long piece like this, okay? And then this will be my bottom. So I figure this is going to be the front, and this will be smaller, so this will be the sides, then this will be the front, and then this is the sides. And usually it's like a ½ inch. I made this a little too big. A ½ inch here on this. That's your fold tab, okay? So what I do is I figure, okay, I'm going to do, I want my box to be 3. So I hit 3 plus, and then if I want this to be an inch, I'll hit an inch, 1. And then I do plus, and then I need this part right here. I guess I should do this on this. Okay, so I need 3, 1, 3, 1, and then a half. So then I add it up. So that's 8.5. That will be your long part of your paper, okay? And then you have to figure out what, not your this part, but where you want your box. You're going to have to add that 1 inch here. If you do 1.5, 2.5, everything has, the bottom has to be the same as the top, as the side. Okay, so let's say this is 1, so you have to do this at a 1. And let's say you want this to be 3 inches, so then this will be 3 inches this way, and then the 1. So it's 3 plus 1 is equals 4. So you would do times 4, okay? And then when you score, let me get my scoreboard. When you're doing your score lines, I have no room in this little desk. It's the tiniest little desk. Let's see if I can get the 0 here. I have my, so you would do your 3, what's my measurements? I don't even know. I wrote it down. What is it? 3 plus 1. And then, so then 1 is 4. And then you do 3. So 1, 2, 3. All right. Oh, this isn't long enough. Oops, where am I? 4, 1, 2, 3. And then you would do your inch. Actually, it was. And so then that's where this is your connector. This is where you attach all this to, okay? So that's how you would score it. And then you would turn this, and you would put this at 1. So this is how your box will be. And so when you're doing this, if you did this at 3, then you would do this at 3. This would be 3 inches, and then this has to be taller. So I think I just ended up doing it the same size. So let's say a 4, because you're not going to fold this one. So this one will be a 4. So this one has to be folded, so you're an inch bigger on this, unless you want it 2 inches or however tall you want it. But that's just the basic of how I do my measuring for my box. And I like that method. It's faster, it's easier, and you can make it as wide as you want. Just keep in mind though, if you make this wider and this wide, you're going to probably have to use a bigger piece of paper. This one was 9.5, so this only goes up to 11. So I kind of adjust you know how I do my boxes by the 11-inch. So usually I use the 8.5 to cut the width, the height, and then the width is the 11 part. And you can use a 12 by 12. That works even better sometimes if you're making them real big. But that's how I do my boxes. And these, like I said, these are pretty small, medium. They probably will hold one of those little Debbie cakes, but you can make them as big as you want. And I did do the fashion one. I did a lot bigger than I did the second one. I did one smaller because it was too big. And then you have to put more stuff in it. So that's why I keep them little, so I can't put just like a little Debbie cake in there. If it's a sweet shop or little cupcakes or something in there that would fit. So that's why I keep them small, and then I don't have to spend a lot of money on paper and keep the cost down. So that's what that's a way, just my way of thinking. I hope it helps, and if you have any questions, I hope I covered everything. I will be doing some more boxes for Christmas in July, and I will be doing tutorials on them, on how I did them. Okay, so have a good weekend and take care of it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all my old subscribers. I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.